Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Whoa! That was a gigantic truck. You're right, D.A.B.B.O. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. D.A.B.B.O? Whoa, D.A.B.B.O! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. D.A.B.B.O the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crash! Crash!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So, Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Crash!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan. And, oh boy, we're almost tipping over.
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which are special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow! This is awesome! Whoa, how can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed. Whoa, yeah, whee! I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Bye, Megan. It was so cool to ride with you.
Bye, Blippi. Keep on crushing.
Holy smokes! A volcano! That's right, D.A.B.B.O. When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa, whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here. Whoa!
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and D.B.O. Speaking of treats, below us. Deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma, like me.
You're right, D.B.O. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano.
Whoa!
So I guess I'm the floor.
Whoa! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma! Phew, that was close. Maggie, you almost fill the whole cavern now.
I sure do. And as I grow, the pressure inside the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on!
Whee!
Much better.
Maggie, what a blast! And I got the answer to my question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the Earth. Upload answer, D.B.O.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Woo! Don't worry, D.B.O. Those aren't real monsters. They're trick-or-treaters, because it's Halloween! Of course, D.B.O. I can teach you how to trick-or-treat.
Did somebody say trick-or-treat?
Whoa! Oh, hi, Rita. This is my friend, D.B.O.
Hi, D.B.O. I'm Rita the raccoon, and Halloween is my favorite holiday.
Because of all the costumes?
No, silly. All the free food. Ha!
Well, you're just in time because D.B.O. and I are about to go trick-or-treating. Wait, D.B.O. We still need a few things before we go. The first thing we'll need are costumes. Great idea! We'll be ghosts! So fun! Even ghosts need to be able to see. There we go! Ooh! Boo! I'm a Blippi ghost! Whoa! We've got a karate master trick-or-treating with us.
Oppa!
And now a chef! So cool!
Boo! I'll just stick with a mask.
Our costumes are ready. Time for the next step. Containers to hold our treats. Cool jack-o'-lantern pails.
Yeah! Trash bag! Ooh! My first treat!
Now it's time to hit the streets.
It's getting dark!
A glowing ghost. Fun! Okay. Be sure to pick a house that is decorated and lit up for Halloween. Then knock on the door and say,
Trick or treat! Come on! What are you waiting for?
Trick or treat! Thank you! Happy Halloween!
What? Shoot!
Remember, you can only go to each house one time and just take one piece of candy. Trick or treat!
Ha-ha! Jackpot!
That'll last you till next Halloween. Whoa! Those scare me every time. Trick or treat!
Trick or treat!
Look what I got!
Whoa! Look at all these treats!
Thanks for helping me teach D.B.O. how to trick or treat, Rita. And remember, D.B.O., to trick or treat, you need a costume and a bag or pail for treats. Then walk door to door, stop at the lit and decorated houses, say trick or treat to get goodies in return. And remember, you always need an adult. Yeah. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for a sweet night, Rita.
Bye, Blippi and D.B.O. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Oh no! D.B.O, look how the water is carrying the Frisbee far away towards that island. I wonder, why don't islands float away? You're right! Let's go ask the island and find out. I'm gonna need helicopter blades and duck feet.
Helicopter blades, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Oh, hello up there.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Nice to meet you both. I'm Ivan.
Ivan, why don't you float away?
I think it has something to do with my bottoms. Ooh, I know. Let's look underwater where my bottom is to find out. Oh, wait. I can't see down there.
You're right, D.B.O. It would be great if you sucked up the water so we could see the bottom better.
I can't wait to see what's down there.
Okay, D.B.O. Drink up. Wow! These colorful coral reefs are so beautiful! We can see so much now! And Ivan, you're way bigger than I thought!
Thanks! I'm even bigger! You're only at my belly button now, see?
Oh! D.B.O, can you drink up more water so we can see the bottom? Are you okay, D.B.O? Ivan, you have so many amazing things on you. Hey, wait, are we at the bottom now?
No, you've reached my knees. Still a bit of a way to go.
Do you think you've got one more big gulp left in you, D.B.O? We're so close to being able to see the bottom. Woohoo! I knew you did.
You made it, Blippi! You're at my feet!
Really? How can you be sure?
Because it tickles when you walk around!
Ivan, you're attached to the bottom of the sea. You're like a mountain.
Oh, D.B.O! Oh, no!
Well, that was fun. And now I have the answer to my question. Why don't islands float away? Islands don't float away because they are mountains attached to the seafloor. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for all your help, Ivan. You rock. Hope to see you again.
Anytime. I'm here to stay. Bye-bye, Blippi!
Whoa! Look at those ducks floating in that pond. Exactly, D.B.O. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky. Hang on, D.B.O. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Well, hello there, Blippi and D.B.O. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, ducks do paddle with their feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea. I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right. We have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. D.B.O. is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
That's right, D.B.O. The leaves have almost fallen off the trees. That means winter is coming. Whoa! That is a big bear! It looks like it's ready to hibernate. That's when bears slow down in the winter and rest. Kinda like a bunch of long naps. I wonder, how do bears prepare for hibernation? I'm gonna need the excavator arm.
Excavator arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Nice hula hoop moves you got there. I'm Bella the bear.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O. We're wondering how bears prepare for hibernation.
Is it that time already?
It's almost winter.
Oh no! I've been having so much fun this summer I totally forgot to prepare. I'm gonna have to move fast. Hey, could you help me?
Of course.
Thanks, Blippi. I've got quite the checklist. I'm gonna have to eat a lot of healthy food and fast. So I can bulk up my fat and fur to keep me warm. Fish is one of my favorite foods.
Whoa! Voila!
Oh, right. Eating. Thanks, Blippi. I'll also need to load up on berries.
Bella, don't you need to eat the berries?
Whoopsie-doo. Oh.
Thanks, D.B.O.
All right. We're making progress. But now for the tough part. We need to dig in the ground to find roots to eat.
I know just the thing to speed up the process.
Nice work, Blippi. Well, excuse me. Delish. Oh, I just need one more thing to keep me warm.
What is it?
I need an extra layer to keep warm in my cave. Pine needles! The bear version of a big, comfy blanket. Oh, thanks! That looks extra cozy.
I'm all ready for hibernation. And I couldn't have done it all in one day without your help.
I think we made it just in time. Thanks for answering my question, Bella. Bears prepare for hibernation by eating a lot of healthy food and warming their dens in order to stay comfy in the winter months. Upload answer, D.A.B.B. Have a great sleep, Bella.
Bye, Blippi.
Oh, take care of my hula hoop till summer, D.A.B.B.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
You're right, D.A.B.B. This is a kangaroo crossing, and we're in Australia. So, I guess you never know when a kangaroo might, whoa, bounce in. Wow, what a spectacular jump. I wonder, how high can a kangaroo jump? Great idea. We'll go ask that kangaroo. I'm gonna need frog legs for this adventure.
Frog legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. We're in the outback, so let's go find a kangaroo.
Hi there, I'm Rooney. What brings you to these parts in your cool-looking car?
Hi, Rooney. It's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B. We wanted to see how high a kangaroo can jump.
Pleasure to meet ya. Well, I can jump as high as your mobile here, but I can jump higher.
Whoa, Rooney's hopping pretty high and super fast.
You're pretty fast yourself. You up for a little race, Blippi?
Sounds fun.
All right, let's race around that big sandstone rock down there. We call it Uluru, or Ayers Rock. It's the heart of Australia.
Whoa, so cool.
And the first bag here wins.
You're on, Rooney.
By the way, there may be a fence or two in the way.
Good to know.
Come on, Blippi, up to it. Careful, this fence is 6 feet tall. Good jump, ready to go even higher.
Yeah.
How about a 10-footer?
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo!
To the best jumper we've ever seen! And now I have the answer to my question. How high can a kangaroo jump? Kangaroos can jump up to 10 feet off the ground. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.
That was fun, Blippi. Whew, gotta cool down. That's why I'm licking my arm. It's a kangaroo thing. Bye!
Bye-bye! Phew, it's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yep, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my Popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the BlippiMobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your Popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right, which means we have the answer to my question, why my Popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because Popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa, I love our cool BlippiMobile. You're right, D.A.B.B. Our car does have amazing things. I wonder, what were the first cars like? Good idea! We can go way back in time to see one of the first cars. I'm gonna need helicopter blades.
Helicopter blades confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. We just traveled back over 100 years. I wonder whose house this is.
It's mine. My name is Blippi. Yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Wait, are you my great-grandpa?
I think I am. Come here, future Blippi great-grandson.
Grandpa, we're here to find out what the first cars were like.
Good timing. I'm about to take my first ever automobile for a drive. Hot dog, isn't this a beaut?
Really cool. So, how does it start?
This crank will make sparks that help start the engine.
The engine started! Yeah! It looks like your car can only fit 2 people. And no seatbelts? Seatbelts keep you safe.
Hot dog, seat belts? Okay, let's go to the top of that hill. We made it! Knew we would! Now down we go!
Oh no, D.A.B.B! Whoa! 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 Does the car have any brakes?
It sure does! That was really cool!
Hot dog! And I have the answer to my question. What were the first cars like? You had to turn a crank to start it, cars only had 2 seats, and you pulled a hand lever for the brakes. Upload answer, D.A.B.B. Bye, Great-Grandpa Blippi. Happy and safe driving. I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, D.A.B.B? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, D.B.O. I'm Barb the chocolate bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, D.B.O. Time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's chocolate bar D.B.O.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike, and I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Driving at night is so much fun. And we have the streets all to ourselves. Whoa! What was that? It's pretty late for animals to be out. You're right, D.B.O. That's definitely an animal. I wonder, why do some animals come out at night? I'm gonna need a grabber arm.
Grabber arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find that nighttime animal. Ah! Oh.
Hi, my name is Rita the raccoon. What's yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and that's D.B.O. We were wondering why some animals, like you, are out at night.
See, I'm nocturnal. That means that everything you like to do in the daytime, I like to do at nighttime.
So cool!
Hey, do you think this thing can help me find some food?
Of course! I think the BlippiMobile could do almost anything! Whoa! Look at her go! D.B.O., follow that raccoon!
Woo! Ha-ha! Come on, keep up!
Rita, you aren't supposed to use the BlippiMobile without permission. That's stealing.
Sorry! Us raccoons will do almost anything for food.
I'm freezing, Rita. It's so cold at night. Aren't you cold too?
Me? No way! I've got this big fur coat that helps me keep nice and warm all night.
I wish I had a big coat or something to keep me warm. Whoa! Look out!
It's okay, Blippi, look!
Oh, thanks, Rita.
That's another great thing about being nocturnal. A lot of the animals that want to chase me are asleep. I like it better with less unfriendly predators around. Something smells good. Let's go!
To the BlippiMobile. This time I'll drive.
That's it! In there!
That looks complicated, Rita. How are you going to open it?
No problem. Raccoons are great problem solvers, as long as there's food involved. Ha! Jackpot! With less animals around, I don't have to share all of this great food.
What an amazing adventure! And I got the answer to my question. Why do some animals come out at night? Some animals like to come out at night because there is less competition for food. There are fewer predators and people around, and because it's cooler at night. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.
Goodbye, Blippi! I'm off to greener dumpsters!
Bye-bye, Rita!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
That's right, D.A.B.B. These cookies are for Santa when he drops off our presents tonight. Good question, D.A.B.B. I wonder, how does Santa know where we live? Hey, wait up!
Very important, very important.
Oh, hey, little bot. What's your name?
I'm Snowbo.
Hey, Snowbo. It's me, Blippi. And this is D.A.B.B. Are you lost?
Very important, very important.
Don't worry, Snowbo. D.A.B.B. and I will help you find your way home. I think D.A.B.B. found something. Come on, Snowbo, let's go. Looks like there's no path. I guess we'll have to get down the fun way. Sledding!
Very important, very important.
Follow that bot!
Very important, very important.
Whoa, yeah! Let's try and get closer, D.A.B.B. D.A.B.B, Snowbo, are you both okay?
Very important, very important.
What is it, Snowbo? Whoa! Yeah! Oh no! Snowbo! We gotta catch her. Come on, D.A.B.B. Whoa!
Very important, very important.
Snowbo! D.A.B.B. Oh no! D.A.B.B. Phew! Whoa, got you! You silly little bot. Whoa! Have you ever seen such a Christmassy house? Whoa!
Snowbo, it's you! I was so worried about you.
Hey, Santa! It's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.
Oh, hello, Blippi and D.B.O. Thank you so much for helping me find my Snowbo. She has a very important job to do tonight.
Very important.
Snowbo helps power my new sleigh. Without Snowbo, I wouldn't be able to deliver presents to the children all over the world.
Santa, I was wondering, how do you know where everyone lives?
It's magic. Ho, ho, ho!
Whoa! I got the answer to my question. How does Santa know where we live? It's magic! Upload answer, D.A.B.B.
Would you like a ride?
We'd love a ride!
Buckle up, because here we go!
Whoa! Yeah!
ho! Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa, look at that, Tabs! It's an adorable kitty cat! And look at those super long whiskers! I wonder, why do cats have whiskers? Great idea, Tabs! Let's follow that kitty cat and find out! I'm gonna need wings!
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure! Do you see any kitties yet, Tabs? Whoa! What was that? Hey! It's me, Blippi! What's your name?
Kipley's the name, and treats are my game. Say, you aren't holding out on me, are you?
Holding out on what?
Treats. I can smell them like hot cakes in the morning. They're close. Hurry, follow me.
Wait for me!
Yeehaw! Woo! Flawless.
How do you land so perfectly?
My whiskers have special sensors that help keep me oriented, so I always land on my feet. Like this. Haha.
Do you think you can fit?
My whiskers help me determine if I can fit through the passage without getting stuck. See? I told you. Come on, Blippi.
It's so dark. How can you see anything?
When I can't see what's around me, my whiskers tell me when something's there. Ah, rats. No treats in here. But we must be close. Come on, y'all.
What else can your whiskers do?
Even the slightest breeze can tell me information about my environment and what direction a smell is coming from. My whiskers are telling me that the treats are... Woo! There! Woo! Jackpot! Would you look at that? Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm happier than a pig in mud.
What a great adventure, Kipley! We found the treats! And I got the answer to my question. Why do cats have whiskers? Cats' whiskers help them navigate their environment and help them keep oriented so they always land on their feet. Upload answer tabs. Bye-bye, Kipley.
Thanks, Blippi. It was great to have you as a sidekick on this adventure. Bye, y'all.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Me too! I love looking at spooky houses decorated for Halloween! Wow! Look at all the jack-o'-lanterns! Let's go check it out!
Hi, Blippi!
Yikes! Oh, hello, Mr. Pumpkin. You scared me.
You're welcome, Blippi. I love to be scared. It's fun.
It is? I wonder, is it really fun to be scared?
Only one way to find out. Let's have a scare contest.
Okay, let's do it. Yikes!
Score 1 for Team Pumpkin.
Team? I don't see anyone else. Yikes! Oh, hi again, Bones.
Team Pumpkin! Come on, Bones! Let's plan our next scare!
We have to come up with a good scare, D.B.O. What can we do?
Huh?
I have an idea! I'll wear this mask and stand on your shoulders while you howl! Let's go!
This is gonna be good!
Ooh. Score 1 for Team Blippi!
You got us good, Blippi!
Yeah! Nice work, D.B.O. Whoa! 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 Cool! A secret hallway?
Huh?
Oh boy, this is really going to scare them. That's 2 points for Team Blippi! The next team to score a point is the winner!
Yeah! Hold on, D.B.O. I have an idea. Let's hide in that cauldron and jump out and scare Mr. Pumpkin and Bones.
Hey, Bones! Let's hide in that cauldron and jump out to scare Blippi and D.B.O. I guess it's a tie.
All right! Halloween is the best! But I still don't know the answer to my question. Is it really fun to be scared?
Yeah!
All right, upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for an awesome scare contest, Mr. Pumpkin. I had a lot of fun.
No problem, Blippi. I had a lot of fun, too.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Look at all those adorable penguins! Look at them sliding on their bellies and waddling around. Wow! I think those penguins are flying. Wait a minute. Those aren't penguins. You're right, D.A.B.B. I don't see any penguins flying. I wonder, can penguins fly? I'm gonna need duck feet and flippers.
Duck feet, flippers, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Gangway!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B. We were wondering, can penguins fly?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Pepper. I really want to fly. I just need to find the elusive shimmer stripe iceberg.
The shimmer stripe iceberg?
Yeah, it's the biggest iceberg around. Once I find it, I think I'll finally be able to fly. Come on, let's go. I prefer tobogganing over waddling. It's much faster.
All right.
Here we go! Whee! Ice slide detour! I'm gonna catch some serious air! Watch this!
Yay!
Whoop!
Pepper?
Almost got it. We just need to find the shimmer stripe iceberg. Then I really should be able to fly.
Let's do it!
Yeah!
Whoa!
Not this one.
No shimmer stripes here. Whoa!
Woohoo!
Where could it be?
Whoa! It's the shimmer stripe iceberg!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Here we go! Whoop.
Whoa! Come on, D.A.B.B. Yeah!
All right. Are you ready to catch some serious air?
We were born ready! Woo!
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Whoa!
Whoa! Hey, dudes! Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Did you see that? I guess it's not the same as flying, but we did catch some serious air.
Pepper, you're soaring!
I am? Whoop, whoop. You're right. I can really soar underwater. Whoa!
And I got the answer to my question. Penguins can't fly, but they're great swimmers. They also have flippers instead of wings, which help them swim through the water. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.
I'm gonna go catch some serious waves now. Bye, dudes!
Bye, Pepper! What's making that sound? Oh, it's a race car! It's going so fast!
Huh?
You're right! The BlippiMobile could never go that fast. I wonder, why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? Good idea, D.A.B.B. We can go to the racetrack and find out. I'm gonna need race car tires.
Race car tires confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
the racetrack?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O. We're actually here to find out why race cars are so much faster than regular cars.
Hi, I'm Ricardo. Let me show you on the track. Let's race.
All right.
Before we race, I have a really important job for you, D.B.O. I need you to be the captain of the pit stop. During the race, I'll pull in here so you can keep me in tip-top shape. Can you help out and do that job? Oh, nice try, D.B.O. But what you'll be doing is gassing up my tank and swapping out my tires. Okay, race time! Helmets on and buckle up!
Whoa! I'm going really fast! Whoa!
I'm not even going as fast as I can! Only 180 miles per hour now! Race cars are made out of a lighter material than regular cars, plus my shape helps me race easier into the wind. It's called aerodynamics.
You and my BlippiMobile are definitely different shapes.
Pit stop, Captain! Do your thing!
You can do it, D.B.O. Ricardo, do you have special tires?
I do! My tires are wider and softer than regular car tires, so I can go even faster on this super hot track. Thanks, D.B.O.
Now you're even faster!
My powerful engine is 5 times stronger than a regular car's. I can reach my top speed of 220 miles per hour. See you at the finish line, Blippi!
Whoa! I'm blown away! But now I have the answer to my question. Why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? It's because race cars are aerodynamic and made out of a lighter material, have special tires to race on the hot track, and a super powerful race car engine! Upload answer, D.B.O. Bye-bye, Ricardo!
Bye, Blippi! Bye, D.B.O. Ciao!